Hey everybody, it's Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. I'm out here at 747 North Charlotte Street to talk about the reveal on this property. The work is at this point 99% done. There's just some finishing touches. A lot of folks have been following these videos. A lot of folks have been following the progress of this house in particular. And due to that exposure that we're getting, we already have a buyer lined up for this property. So the property is currently under contract and it's going to be sold to a neighbor who saw the quality of the work that was happening here, was interested in having a rehab property here in the borough of Pottstown. He put his offer in, the offer was accepted, and they're getting this house ready for him to move in. The folks that do these rehabs, the name of their company is Find Solutions Properties. That's Rob and Paula Bickelman. I've highlighted them and their business in a previous episode of In the Works at 135 Chestnut Street. We're out here at 747 North Charlotte Street. This was the next project, and I wanted to talk a little bit about what Rob and Paula do with their company, Find Solutions Properties. Find Solutions Properties finds and purchases homes in the Pottstown area that are some way, shape, or form distressed. So they could be maybe getting ready to go into foreclosure, sheriff sales, government sales. Sometimes there are homes that are in an estate and the family doesn't have the ability or the wherewithal to fix the house up. And Find Solutions Properties buys these homes and then rehabs them. And a rehab can be anything from a total strip down to the studs and start over again, or some of these homes just require a little bit of repair in order to get them up to modern standards. But we're always looking for our next project. Find Solutions Properties and myself, Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate, are always looking for the next property. So if you have a property that needs to be sold, if there's one on your block, one on your street, give us a call. I'm going to put contact information for Find Solutions Properties up in the video. Write that number down if you have a property like this, or if you're aware of a property that's in distress and needs to be rehabbed. Give us a call. Give me a call, Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate. You can also follow me on Facebook and on YouTube. My phone number is 610-310-4252. I'm looking forward to working with you to help rehab these houses, to help revitalize Pottstown and communities in the surrounding area. We're up here on the third floor at 747 North Chestnut Street, which has been remodeled into a 4th bedroom. So this house at one point was a 3-bed, 1-bath house. It is now a 4-bed, 2-bath house because of the extra work that was done to raise the ceiling in this room, put in a ceiling fan, and then we also have a very large closet for extra storage space. Electric baseboard heating, brand new carpet, all new electric, new paint, everything you need to call this the 4th bedroom. Here we are in the 2nd floor hallway bath. One of the cool things that I like about this custom designed bathroom is the ceramic tiles that we have and the subway tile accents. This was all custom designed, custom installed, especially for this house. On the 3 bedrooms on the 2nd floor, you're going to find that every room has been redone with new paint, these great ceiling fans. The master bedroom has a remote for the ceiling fans. We've got plenty of closet space considering the age of the house. I think they did a good job of providing closet space in this old house. This closet was custom installed and even has a light in the closet for your convenience. Here we are on the 1st floor, and what we've done here is created an open floor plan on the 1st floor that brings the living room, dining room, and kitchen together in one common area. This is going to be a great place for our new homeowner to entertain friends and families. Just a great place to relax. Plenty of open space, open feeling, and we have 2 ceiling fans to keep the air moving and to keep this house cool. So here we are in the kitchen. We've got a center island with granite countertops. We've also got another prep space, plenty of shelving, plenty of cabinetry, also highlighted by granite countertops and all new stainless steel appliances. One of the cool things I wanted to highlight was some of the original woodwork that was in this house was existent, and we had some of these really cool kind of corner pieces in some of the rooms. The carpenter who worked on this project was actually able to recreate those corner pieces, and we carried that little accent through the entire property as it was being rehabbed. So we were able to modernize the property but still pay tribute to some of its historic accents by keeping these corner pieces. I thought that was really cool, and I wanted to bring your attention to it. I'm standing here on the first floor, full bath and laundry. This room was formerly the kitchen of the house. We've moved the kitchen into where the dining area was. I've already showed you that. That's an open space combining living, dining, and kitchen space together. But here in the first floor bathroom, which used to be the kitchen, we've reconfigured that into a full bath with a laundry facility, washer and dryer. This is on the first floor. It's right near the rear entrance coming out of the mudroom. It's going to be a convenient space to stop and drop off your dirty clothes or grab a shower real quick before you're ready to relax for the evening. In the kitchen, because we created the center island and reconfigured the kitchen altogether, we wanted to add a little bit more extra storage space. So what we've done is build this custom pantry. This pantry was built in the corner here, specifically for this house. This is a custom design feature that was added in to give the new homeowner plenty of storage space here in the kitchen. 747 North Charlotte Street. This was the latest episode of In the Works. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following these videos. Remember, you can follow these videos, Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate, on Facebook and on YouTube. While you're watching the videos, there's a couple of things I need you to do. I need you to like, share, and subscribe. Also, put your comments in the box below, the comment box. I do read the comments. In fact, on the last video for this property, we had some requests to do more shots of the outside and the backyard. So we fulfilled those requests today and got some angles of the backyard for the folks that requested that during the last video. Again, it's Matt Green at Glocker Real Estate, Facebook and YouTube. You can also call me at 610-310-4252. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching.